So today we'll be solving the May 3rd challenge of Leetcode, which is shortest unsorted continuous subarray. So in this question we will be given with the array and we have to return which is the subarray which is unsorted. In other words, which is the subarray after sorting will make the entire array a sorted array. So because if we sort this 6, 4, 8, 10 and 9, then we will replace that with this array, then we will get the entire array as sorted. Okay, that is the question. We will take this example and see how we can solve it. So let me take this as the example. Now to solve this question, we will first sort the array. Okay, so this is the given array. If we sort this array, the array will look something like this: 2, then 4, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 15. Right. So once we sort this array, so we need not don't do it in place sorting, keep this in different variables, say sorted array something. Okay, now run a for loop where I is starting from this and maintain two variables, lowest index and highest index. So when you move this I, whenever you find the elements in the I is differing between sorted array and the unsorted array, then you will put that in the high and low. So initially we will initialize a high and low to be -1 or some other invalid index values. So so after initializing this to -1, then we will iterate over this both the arrays simultaneously. So now these two and 2 are same, so we need not do anything. Now we will check this one. Now 6 and 4 are different. So if 6 and 4 are different, we will update the L and H. So we will update the L and H to index 1. Okay. Now we will update L and H to index 1, and we will not update L again. So only at the first time when we see a match, we will update both of them together. Next time onwards, we will be updating only H. Okay, so let's continue with this. Let's check in the second index. Second index is again differing. So this time we will only update H. So H becomes 2. Now again we will check in the third index. Third index is the same, so we need not do anything. Fourth index is differing. Now we will update the H with fourth index. Okay, now again we will check for the fifth index. Fifth index also differing, so we will update the H. Now H becomes 5. Okay, so now we check for the next index. Next index is same, so we need not do anything. Now we reach the end. The for loop will break. Now using these two values, L value and H value, we will compute the result. So now we will subtract H with L, and whatever the answer we will get, we will return it as the result. H minus 1 will give us 4. We have to add one more to it so that we get the correct answer. So the result will be 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is the answer. So let's try to implement this solution. So the answer will be 5. Okay, let's implement this solution. So first let us sort the array and keep it in okay, let's keep it in this variable. Now let us keep the length of the array in one variable. Okay, now let's run up for loop. So let's not and also we need to keep this left and high variable, low and high variable. Let's keep them both -1 initially. Let's iterate over the array. If sorted array and the unsorted array is not equal, then we have to take some action. Then if and only if L is -1, only at the first time we will be updating L. For all the time we will be updating high. Okay, once this is done, we will return the difference, h minus L plus 1. Now this one we will return only if L is greater than -1, right? If there is not any difference, then we have to return, because the array would have been already sorted, so we will return 0 in that case. Let me try to run this. Work fine. So let me try to submit this. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.